everyone guys, welcome to my vlog. Alay lakad na naman itong alaga ko. Aster, no, where you go? Minutes na naglalakad ito. Ayan, bus. Ganito ang bus dito guys. Ayan. Yun yung school bus dito. Ano? Let's go, Leo. Wato po po ah. Faster. Let's go. You go here. Nya? Come. Jalan-jalan. Aduh. 20 minutes already here. Let's go. Bigat tilain tong asong ito. Nah. Ayo, I tell you, you eat food first, then you be fast to pupo. Oh, ganyan. Mabigat tilain to. Nuti rin tong asong to. Let's go. You want to pupo or what? Yeah? Okay? Go. Nalis na ang aking bus ng maaga. Ay. Kahapon ang bilis lang itong tai. Ngayon ang tagal-tagal. Tapos mag-waiting pa kami ng lift pag naglilinis. Adoy. Smell first la. Leo boy. Faster. Amoy-amoyin niya kung saan siya umihi. Mamaya pa yan siya tatay. Hintayin niya pa yan muna. Naman ganda yung view. Ay, puno-puno kasi mahirap makakita ito ng pusa tsaka yung duels. Ayan. Lahat talagang sulok-sulok yun paghihian niya oh. But you only here, don't go there. Faster la. Oh, shaking. Kay first, kay you okay? You okay here, kay. Yesterday, well, fast to pupo la. Now too late. Yeah, boy. There you boy. Faster. Sunod nila. So, faster. Dito may halap ang buhay sa mundo. Kaming alaala. Ayo. Wait na naman siya. Don't go there. Only here. No. No, tidugla. You want to pupo here. Don't go there la. No, tiya. Only there. Then you saw the cat then. Oh, what's that? This is bird ma. No? Don't have that. This is the bird. Bird. No? Where you go? No?